Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop, step by step. First, open your browser and go to store.steampowered.com. Once you're on the site, click on Install Steam at the top right corner and download the Steam app. After the installation, open Steam and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Next, look at the search bar in the top right corner and type Need for Speed Most Wanted. Click on the first result. That's the official game page. Now scroll down a little until you see the Buy Need for Speed Most Wanted section. Click Add to Cart, then choose Purchase for Myself to continue. After that, select your payment method. You can use PayPal, a debit card, credit card, or any other option available in your region. Once selected, click Continue, follow the checkout process, and complete your purchase. When your payment is confirmed, Steam will automatically start downloading and installing the game. To find it, click on Library at the top, then Games, and you'll see Need for Speed Most Wanted listed there. Finally, click Play, and that's how you download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.